Hello everyone. Today we are talk about different types of resistors. Let's start the topic. Now, what is resistance? We know that the property of conductor to oppose the flow of charges through it is called its resistance. Resistance are classified in two types. First is fixed resistance, second is variable resistance. In a market, fixed resistors are available according to their values and used in a circuit according to circuit requirement. And variable resistors are used in a circuit for a special purpose, like potentiometer is used for provides variable voltage, rheostat is used for provide variable current, NTC thermistor resistance decrease when temperature increase, PTC thermistor resistance increase when temperature increase. Now, fixed resistors. Fixed value of resistance are called fixed resistors. These are two types: carbon composition resistors, wire wound resistors. First, carbon composition resistors. Carbon resistors are low power rating resistors, 2 watt or less. This resistor is made of mixture of carbon or graphite and clay. This type of resistors available in values ranging from 1 ohm to 22 mega ohm, power rating 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 or 2 watt. Next, wire wound resistors. This type of resistors is made of nichrome, tungsten and manganese. These resistors available in values ranging from 1 ohm to 100 kilo ohm and power rating 2 watt to 500 watt. Next type of resistor, variable resistors. We may vary this resistance value according to requirement. These are also two types: carbon composition resistors. Carbon composition variable resistors may be available 1000 ohm to 5 mega ohm and power rating 1 by 2 to 2 watt. Next, wire wound resistors. This type of resistance made of nichrome wire. These are some example of variable resistance like rheostat, trimmer and different type of variable resistors. Variable resistor is used in a home in fan regulator for controlling fan speed. Now we perform one activity to understand about variable resistor and how to make variable resistor in a home by using simple material. Let's start the activity.
Easy to make this variable resistor. For this you'd require a pencil, a bulb holder, 3 pencil batteries 1.5 volts. Take a rubber slipper and make a slit for fixing 3 1.5 volt batteries. Then with adult help, splice a pencil into half so that the lead, the writing lead is exposed. This lead is made of clay and graphite, and this acts like a resistance. Now you can see the lead in the middle, and then on the rubber slipper there are 2 yellow rubber stoppers. Apply some glue and affix the pencil onto this. Wait for a while for the glue to dry and then fix the pencil. Now you need a bulb holder, a torch bulb, and the 2 ends are attached to 2 safety pins, which are like the contact leads. You need 1 crocodile clip with another safety pin. This is the entire circuit. The safety pin will glide on the lead. Now apply some glue to the slipper and then affix the torch bulb holder to this. The top lead of the bulb would be attached to one end of the slit, and then slip in 3 1.5 volt pencil batteries. So this total of 4.5 volts. And the other lead is also a spring connection made from a safety pin. The end of this is a crocodile clip which is attached to one end of the lead. On touching it, it's short circuited. If you move from right to left, the bulb gets dimmer and dimmer. From left to right, it brightens up progressively. Now, the whole LED is acting like a variable resistance. The less the resistance, the brighter the bulb lights up. The more the resistance, the dimmer the bulb becomes. So here's a wonderful way for making your own variable resistor using very simple equipment found at home.
Now explaining the reason behind it. The pencil lead is made of clay and graphite and has an electrical resistance. With the full lead in the circuit, the bulb is dimmest because the resistance is maximum. With less lead, low resistance in the circuit, the bulb glows brightly. The pencil lead acts as a wonderful variable resistance. I hope you understand about variable resistance and enjoy this activity, how to make a variable resistance in a home by simple material. Perform this activity under the supervision of your parents. Don't do this activity alone. Be careful. Stay happy. Goodbye.